This is my 350cc Bullet. In fact, it was manufactured in 1993, I think. But later on, I purchased it. I bought it from someone else, and I completely refurbished it. I had new painting for its whole body and chassis, and previously it had old model of shock absorber, but now it has hydraulic shock absorber. I changed its tail, which looks like slopey, inclined. It gives inclined look, and I removed its back seat to make it a single seat, so that it looks like a flying machine. If you look at it from this angle, it looks like a flying machine. It's about to fly. It looks as if it is about to fly. Its sound is fantastic. If you just listen carefully, wow, very good sound. If you look at this bike from this angle, it looks really fabulous. So I'm gonna put it on sale. If someone pays me around 300,000, I'll be selling it. And if there is any other bike, especially from Bullet, which compensates its performance, which has equal or superior performance than this, definitely I'll go for bike Bullet only.